I'm using for this section that I just painted, I have a size 4. I really like these Transin brushes. Um, I like brushes, but the Transin brushes are just a little bit thicker at the ferrule. They have just a little bit more hair, but it really worked to just maybe I can show you here. Just set the brush down and kind of pull the feather shapes. So really just using the shape of the brush and more confident strokes than you might think. There are so many values of color changes going on. And so it's really going to take a couple of different goes at it. That's what happens when you've painted all day. Um, you keep building the layers. For a piece like this, we're probably talking about 4 or 5 layers on some of these different areas. I feel like the tail is basically done. I feel like I need to darken up parts of this, but all of those colors underneath are really going to help me. I really like the way her little fluffy rear is going. Um, Again, probably just a couple of more highlights and that's probably done. So she's closer than you think at this point, I guess is what I want you to know. I will say this area got way away from me. I got too much paint, um, meaning that it was thick paint there, and so I couldn't work with it anymore. And that's no problem. Again, all of those colors are going to help me. I just need to come back and do a little bit of refining there. I bring that up to you so that you'll know if you're working on an area and you feel like, oh my gosh, that's terrible. It's okay. Just walk away from it, let it dry, and come back. I think it will help you to work in sections sort of the way I did. So the tail, and then these waterfall feathers, her little fluffy area, these fluffy feathers, the wing, saddle, her really pretty breast up here, and all of the colors that we'll be able to build there. So we'll be able, once we get all of these sections done, we'll be able to come back in and refine some of this so that there's not such stark breaks in between each of these sections.